Hey guys, it's Taco Man here with another video, and we got a bear with a new haircut. Look who came back! Here and Zephyr. Let me zoom on a little bit. Zephyr's a good boy. Yeah, bear. You know, we get a closer shot of whichever one's there. Wait, they made a hole again. Let me go look for it. It was like around here. I don't remember. I can see it. I don't know what that's on. Looks small. But anyways, I'm here in another review. Another, visiting my dog outside. Her too. And we got a hammock. We got some nice stuff going on. We cleaned it up. It's better now. Right, guys? Yep. Okay, so we're just out here with my dog. Yeah, and stuff. We found a new shovel. We found my saw. We got a pickaxe in the garage, but I'll probably show you that in part 3. Spoilers, maybe a part 3. Thinking about it. What are you barking at? It's gonna get hard, isn't it? Never mind. I'm out here. I wanted to show you guys a lot of stuff out here. This is just some stuff. I don't know what you guys want me to do. Hold on. I guys want you to leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to me, but leave a comment back down below. Which version of bear do you like better? The one with the haircut, or when he had a lot of fluffy fur? If you ask me, I like his fluffy fur. Hold on. Bear, come here. Pinky, come here, bear. Hold on, guys. I might get him. Come here, bear. He might come. There he is. See? I gotta show you guys something. Come back. Close down to your Here. There might be a bunny in our yard. You might try catching. Come here, bear. Come here. I'm gonna show you guys something. Look what my cousin's wife got on it. It says, "Pray for us." If you can't see, I'm sorry. The dog and God, I think. Here's the other side. And here it says, now it says, "Pray for us." It's really hard with bear. Alright, I also got that, and let's see, what else was I going to do? Oh yeah, I remember now. No, I forgot. But right now, I just got back from just getting dressed. Tomorrow, I'm going to play kickball. Because the teachers, all the 5th graders versus the teachers. Pleasant Valley Elementary, yeah! I'm wearing this jersey, see? It says Cheetahs. Then my back, it says Avion. I don't know if you guys can see it. Number 6. This is from my old soccer team. They're kind of bad, but, they're kind of good, I guess. Barely. I'm wearing this to the kickball. Yeah. But, yeah, leave in the comments below. Which version of bear did you like? The one with the haircut now? Or when he had it, like, more fluffy? I kind of like him now. I'm getting used to him. Like, I didn't like his haircut first, but now I'm getting used to it. I really want his fur to grow back because I loved him when he's fluffy. He looks so cute and adorable, but he still is, but he looks so much cuter when he was small, when he had all that fur. Like, oh my gosh, I want to pet him forever. Fluff him. Oh yeah, we got a hammock. I'm going to try it out with you guys here. I'm going to try getting the dog up here. Here, let me get in. Hold on. Oh yeah. Just here. Okay. Right here. Sorry you can't see one day. Hold on. I'm gonna sit down. Let's see. Hold on, my dog's coming. Hold on. Here. Alright. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna put down the camera. Bear, come here. Ah, I popped my hand. Hold on, guys.